Okay, I find it a pain to resolder these Mueller clips. So I cut off the wire, I open it up, I brush it, and I get it ready. And I try to line up a bunch of them up in a row so that I can do them together. What I do is I add some flux to each one of them. Flux is like an acid paste. It adds some liquid to the surface and it helps the solder melt. I heat up my soldering iron. And I don't worry about overheating the solder here because I'm not really worried that I'm going to damage the clip. If I was doing computer part of a machine, I'd have to worry about overheating and damaging something. Okay, so I heat up that little pile of solder right there. Add a little extra to it. I take the other end and I put some flux on it so that I can touch it to the solder, and it should suck the solder right up into the wire. Right, so we got some solder in that wire, and then I push this wire down. There's a little hole right here in the Mueller clip. I push it down, and then take the heat away and let it set. It takes a few seconds for it to set, especially after I've heated up the metal like that. Maybe I'd even want to add just a tiny bit of solder onto the top right there. That looks good. And I move on to the next one. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit them with some alcohol. That will clean them and cool them off. All set. There's one. All set. I'm just going to take my wire brush and clean off all that old flux. Get that out of there. Bring the relief tubing up. Bring the relief tubing up. And then crimp this down over the relief tubing and the wire. There you go. Mass cord ready to go. Turn my tester on. Check it. There it is. It's good. Turn my tester on and check it. There it is. It's good. All set.